Get rid of wet raw material with the help of new EcoStan Rotary Drum Dryer. Reduce moisture within a matter of seconds. Presenting new RDD4. Vibrator screens are used to separate large particles from material.
New RDD4 is about innovation, not imitation. Consume less power and more efficient than ever before. Equipped with fully automatic drives. Heating furnace provide heat to dry out wet content from material. Temperature meter shows the reading of temperature provided by furnace to dry the material. Power consumption required for operating RDD4 is 44 horsepower. It can reduce moisture from wet material up to 50%. Production of RDD4 is from 2,500 kilograms to 3,000 kilograms per hour. Dried material coming out from Rotary Drum Dryer. Screw conveyor can be used to drift the material from one place to another. Moisture coming out from the material which is drying. Other models are also available from 750 kilograms per hour to 5,000 kilograms per hour.
Contact us on following numbers or log on to www.ecostan.com. Order now. EcoStan, making world better place. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel.